Alright, y'all. She went from that to a bad bitch. Look at them brows. Yes, let's go. Step one, you brush it, sis. Yeah, that's what you do. You brush, and then what you do? You got then you put you put a line right there, and that line, what that line gonna do is show you the trajectory of the fill in of what you go. Okay, yeah, and then you just gonna shape it at the end, and you gonna fill it in like that. She was real good at color inside the lines. I couldn't do that. So that's what you yeah, this is the part where you color inside the lines, what I was just saying and other stuff. Yeah, you feel that beginning part in right there. This give me anxiety. Cause I don't know how you could be able to just fill that in and not go outside the line. That's the talent. So yeah, what you do is you take that little comb right there and you just comb it out. I don't know what the fuck she's showing me this for, cause she act like I know what this is. I don't know. Y'all know what that is? Y'all know what that is. Alright, so anyway. Next step, what the hell she putting her head? What is this she putting on her? What is this? This girl look like a universal act. Hold on. Okay, but she is talented. The accuracy on that was just right. Okay, so yeah, you know what I'm saying? You put the white in there, it look like white cream or something like that, like a chalk. You put like a chalk color on there, you fade it. I don't know how she just faded out like that. She skipped it. But you fade it out like that to where, oh, them roots, girl. Okay, so we back with it. Okay, so yeah, you gonna put the top color gonna be like a tan, like a Ricky tan from Rush Hour, and you just gonna leave it there. Look like you got a double eyebrow, a double decker, and then you just fill it in like that. But make sure you don't run it in the eyebrow, because you're gonna have this shit gonna look tacky. So step 5, oh damn, what is here? So you rub an anal plug on your head. Yeah, so you just fill in like that, and it's gonna fade out eventually into your skin color. Now if you ain't choose the right one, it ain't gonna fade out into your skin color. It's gonna look stupid. I don't know why she's laughing. I ain't make no joke. But girl, I can't see that. That damn light. I can't. Nobody can see that. Like, what is wrong with you? Okay. So what you do is you paint your face with some more white shit. Yeah. So yeah, you blend it in. You fill it in like that, and it's supposed to look like that. When you do it, it gonna look like that. Yeah. So next step is you comb it, and you just comb it, and then you just take your marker and you Sharpie it in. You just make it darker. Like you wanna, like, you know how you just Sharpie like on your Vans or something. You just do it on your face. And then you're gonna take the comb back and jagged edge the edge like that, and make it like real faded out, like it's yours, but it ain't. But it is. But it ain't. But it is. It's there, but it ain't there. But it's there, and you gonna comb it, and that shit look fire as fuck, bro. I ain't even gonna flex though. Like, that shit low key hard, bro. Y'all niggas is talented. But that's one hell of a difference. You can see that. Her eyebrows going bald. So that's why she putting it on like that. So basically, what you're gonna do the same thing you did to that side on that side. I'm gonna just play some music on the ones and twos while she doing it. I'll be back.
Wanna fuck with a blouse. So I took on a cruise around the city. It don't really matter what it costs, cause you know young nigga gon' get it. What you want, babe? baby. Don't you let them know. Don't let them know. Don't let the feeling show. Don't let it show. But you can tell your girls though, I give you the world though. Tell them keep it low though. Don't let them other hoes know. Ooh, cause they ain't ready. To hear that. Oh no, no. There be some bad news. There be some bad news. I got a new boo. There be some bad news. She just wanna fuck with the boss. So I took on a cruise round the city. It don't really matter what it costs. Cause you know young nigga gon' get what you want, babe. I got it, whoa. What you want, hey. I got it, what you want, babe. I got it, what you want, babe. I got it. Baby girl, you can have what you want. And it's probably money, not trying to be funny, but I know how these girls is getting down these days. And what can I say? That's okay. Can't expect you to love me for who I am when all you ever knew was that a nigga's the man. Like I damn he paid. Don't you remember when a nigga used a hot breeze? Gotta make it drop, she was in the 8th grade. Now that she's grown, she fuck who she want. I'm judge her, don't judge her, but I can never love her, cause I'm just an entertainer. So she gon' fuck another. She just wanna ball. She just wanna fuck with a boss. So I took on a cruise round the city. It don't really matter what it costs. Cause you know a young nigga gon' get it. What you want, babe. I got it, whoa. What you want, hey. I got it, it's whatever. What you want, babe.
We back. And why the fuck she got gel? Ain't that for your head? Alright, so yeah, you take this gel and you put it on your eyebrow. And what it's gonna do is gonna help it stick. You know what I'm saying? It help it like give it that shine, I guess. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we got a little color palette, and what we're gonna do with this color boy, you done fucked up. You done fucked up big time with your ass digging ass.
Oh, dumbass girl.
That nigga dug in that palette like it was a Buddha hole. Anyway, so yeah, we gon' nigga, what is we even doing now? What is we doing now? So we just doing the shade shit, you know what I'm saying? Just throwing shade, you know, y'all at home, y'all know what that's about. Cause y'all do it all the time. So yeah, the next thing will be we done. Alright then. Yeah, so that's how it gonna look in the sunlight and shit if you did it right. Wait, where the bread come from? You know how like y'all learn something in class and then y'all get the test and then it don't be none y'all learned in class. That's what she just did with that red. I don't know where that red came from, but it popping though. Like I ain't even gonna flex or nothing like that.
Thanks, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. You're done for. That was horrible.